Hey it's Angeline here. Today I have a fun crafty video with Unity stamp. I'm going to show you how to create a Honeycomb Bee Card using this cute Cuddlebug bee from Unity stamp. So I've already stamped and colored him out and fussy cut, and next I'm going to create the honeycomb using this Sizzix Tim Holtz Alterations Frameworks die, which creates this beautiful honeycomb die with pop-ups like that. You could use this die to cut lots of stuff, kind of like felt, cardstock, glass sheets even. But here I'm using some holographic cardstock and also some pattern paper. But wait a minute, I know what you're asking. You're saying, I don't have this die. How am I going to create this card? Well, you could always cut out the hexagon shapes using a template or just your freehand, and without even the framework, it kind of looks cool. So here is how Tim Holtz did it and how his sample looks like. I think it looks pretty awesome, don't you think? So next I'm grabbing the Alene tacky glue here and just placing some right in the middle of all the slots and just popping in all the elements. You could always leave it blank as it is, or you could add in any kinds of patterns that you would like. And finally, it's time to adhere the bee and the sentiment onto the card. I'm just adding some foam adhesive to the back of the bee to pop him up. So here is how the finished card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!